Hey everybody, it's Jesse with Survival Summit. This is video number 6 out of the 6-part video series where we talk about supplemental survival and preparedness kits. Today's last video, the fishing and hunting B.O.S. kit is what we're going to talk about. And again, like the rest of the videos and like the rest of the kits, there are some instructions on hunting, making a spring pole, slingshots, how to skin a squirrel, some fishing tips, how to use the yo-yo. This is all printed on Right in the Rain waterproof paper, which is really handy because it's not going to get all smeared if it gets wet, and it is not going to get destroyed. Now, what comes in this kit? Well, there's a whole bunch of stuff in this fishing and hunting kit. First, it comes with a very small multi-tool. And again, like I said in every video, this is supplemental gear. This is not your top-of-the-line gear, but this is field-tested, quality gear that'll get you through in a pinch. Amazing gear to put in a cache location, and amazing gear if you're brand new to survival and you don't want to spend 10 times as much on some of the top-of-the-line kits. These kits are pretty amazing. So that's your little multi-tool. It also comes with a wide variety of sinkers, hooks. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Everything you need to catch fish. And it's actually pretty stacked. There's a lot of hooks in here. There's a lot of sinkers in here. There's a lot of connector pieces. Comes with a slingshot. This is a small slingshot. Comes with some 8-pound monofilament line for fishing. So here's your fishing line. It comes with some snare wire. Always comes in handy. There are some small zip ties in this kit. Now, these mechanical fishers, these are actually pretty awesome. You attach these to a tree branch or your boat or whatever you want. And essentially, when you set the line out, when the fish catches the line, this will reel back in on its own. These are pretty awesome. I have a whole bunch of these, and I love them. If you've ever done much fishing, this is a stake that goes in the ground, put it through the gill, so you can collect and hold on to a bunch of different fish and keep them in the water and keep them fresh until you're ready to cook them. This is this stuff is very stinky when I open this kit. I have it all over my hands, but this is a little bit of bait. Comes with a couple fluorescent high visibility bobbers. Always comes in handy. These go with the slingshot. Little ball bearings. Comes with some rubber worms and some rubber bait for when you're fishing. And here is some more line. I believe this is Kevlar cordage. Just a little spool of cordage. And it comes with some various hooks, safety pins. There's all kinds of stuff in here. This is actually, and there's a razor blade in here as well, in case you need a razor blade. Now, this fishing and hunting kit is a great supplemental kit, and all these kits are great supplemental kits, but so I talked about this earlier. I don't remember which exact pack this is. I got this a long time ago. This is a Maxpedition pack. All 6 of these kits fit inside this pack, and this is a fairly small pack. As you can see, I keep a stainless steel water container out here, and sometimes I keep a Grail filter in there. I guess it depends on what time of year. If it's winter time, I'm not going to keep the Grail in there. I'm going to keep the stainless steel. Now, another kit that I put inside the same pack, you always want to have a medical kit. So this is kind of like my secondary supplemental kit if something went wrong or I had to grab something much smaller and I had to leave. So in my supplemental medical kit, I have a cat tourniquet. This is a Gen 7 cat tourniquet. I don't believe there's a better tourniquet on the market. There are some that are comparable. If you're going to buy a cat tourniquet, don't buy it on Amazon. Please don't buy it on Amazon. Most of the time, you're going to find the Chinese knockoffs. They're not even real cat tourniquets, and they could fail in the field, and you'd hate to risk your life because you bought a $10 tourniquet. These actually cost $30. If you find one that's a lot less, it's probably not real, so don't buy it. The stitching isn't the same. It's not made the same. The windlass isn't the same. It's just not the same quality. I keep a little bit of triple antibiotic ointment in here as well. I don't know what the hell that noise was. I keep some rubber gloves. I also keep a chest seal in my supplemental kit. And this is an emergency trauma dressing. I think this is the T3. This might not be the T3. Yeah, I don't think it is. There's a version made by B.O.S.S Medical called the T3 bandage. It's amazing. It's got multiple components in one bandage. It's pretty awesome. This, I believe, is the standard, what they call an Israeli pressure dressing. This is a standard Israeli pressure dressing by B.O.S.S Medical. Most of my stuff is made by North American Rescue. That's what all of our kits that we carry on the website are. But don't discount B.O.S.S Medical. These guys are a great company. I actually think they're the company that first came out with the Israeli pressure dressing. I could be wrong. I didn't research that, so don't take my word for it. But it's a quality bandage, and I love their stuff. All right, that's it for the supplemental kits. Maybe next video, I'll do a much longer video talking about my entire bug-out bag setup, as well as all my winter supplemental kits and everything that I carry in my vehicle and in my house at all times.